Senator Kirsten Gillibrand hosted a summit at RIT on Friday dealing with manufacturing in upstate New York. The senator brought Commerce Secretary John Bryson along to deliver the keynote address. Winans Mike Cadine was at the event and joins us from the newsroom with the details about what Gillibrand and Bryson had to say.
They say manufacturing, particularly that in New York State, built America. Both the senator and the Commerce Secretary said that getting that back on track is vital to the country's economic recovery and growth. With innovation and technology a major part of today's manufacturing, Senator Kirsten Gillibrand and Commerce Secretary John Bryson began their day in Rochester with a tour of the new Golisano Institute for Sustainability building at RIT. It's in the final phase of construction and was made possible with financial support from the Department of Commerce. From there, they made their way to the Manufacturing Summit, where the theme was Made in America.
So what we want to do is unleash the potential of the great minds, the great workers, and the innovators right here in Rochester to create those new jobs, to sustain existing businesses and grow those businesses.
In his address, Bryson told local manufacturers and other business leaders about the economic recovery happening in the United States. 500,000 new jobs have been added over the last 25 months. That after a decade where some 6 million manufacturing jobs were lost. Bryson says the Commerce Department's Manufacturing Extension Partnership is helping to build on that. It works directly with local businesses to help them become more innovative and competitive.
Recent annual data shows that businesses that teamed up with the New York Manufacturing Extension Partnership had over $400 million in sales, helping keep or create 4,000 jobs.
Panels of experts met with local businesses and government leaders to come up with ways to make it easier to retain jobs and keep businesses profitable.
How do we leverage private capital with tax credits? How do we make sure these businesses get the financing they need to grow? What is the way that government can streamline operations or streamline the tax code to make it easier for these companies to reinvest and create those jobs?
Gillibrand says it's her job to listen to the business leaders to find out what works best for them and then take those ideas and get them pushed through Congress. In the newsroom, Mike Cadine, YNN.